What's up, everybody? It's the 1B. Let me turn off this air conditioner so that I can record this. Yeah, we're going to do some more video editing. I'm going to be video editing some video editing. So let's go ahead and hit new project. We're going to save it in here. Select, and this is going to be video editing. The stay at home meme. At home meme video thumbnail creation. We're gonna click OK. I should have added version 1 to that. Dang it! Sometimes I forget these things. And then this is going to be 6/28/19. Back up to videos. 4/18. 6/28/19. Right? Yep. And we're going to go ahead and bring that into the project. And then let's go ahead and grab the YouTube ending screen, drag that into the project as well. Then let's bring the video into the timeline, the sequence, whatever you want to call it. And what I realized on some of these video editings is that, let's unlink, that this first audio file is all of them put together. And I do that just in case I need to sync anything or whatever. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to delete that one. And then this one here is the system audio. So like if I play a video while I'm video editing, if it's video game sound, and then the third one is Discord audio. So we don't need any of those. We only need my audio, the system audio, and then the video. And then let's select those, relink, delete the extra tracks. Make sure you select both of these to get rid of the extra video and the extra audio tracks. Brings them all back together. And now that they're linked, where we have them at the beginning of the timeline or the sequence, we're going to go ahead and we're going to turn down. So this is audio 1, which is the system audio. And we're going to just turn that down a little bit. And then we're going to turn my audio up a little bit. It's better to have you turn me down and not be able to turn me up, right? Or better to have to turn me down than not be able to hear me. I say it every time, and I keep saying I say it every time. So that'll be a thing that's just ingrained in you and in me. And then we'll zoom in. And then we're going to see the sun shining in. I was video editing late. Let's undo that. Control Z is undo. Control K is split the clips. Shift delete will delete this selected and move over everything that's behind it. So just to show you, actually, let's do this. We'll bring in this right here. Just like that. We're going to select this. We're going to turn it up because that's how we do. And we're going to zoom back down, or actually, it's selected. Make sure it's selected. It's kind of hard to show all of this because it's such a small area. But what we'll note is that this is connected here. Move this here so you can see. Zoomed in all the way. Right? Zoomed in all the way. This is exactly on the frame. Okay, we'll move it back to the beginning. Select that. We're gonna hit Shift, delete, and it just brought everything forward. See? No gap or anything. And that's that. So that's this one. File save. Export to media. Then we're going to go ahead and select. Make sure we get out of here. And this is, what is that? Video editing. Video editing squared. What the heck? I swore I made a file for this. Did it get put somewhere else? Suspicion. Video editing. Stay. Home. Theme. Video. Thumbnail. Creation. Select that. Video editing, the stay at home, main video thumbnail, creation, version 1. Save. Cue it up. Adobe Media Encoder. All right, once I hit this button, it's going to start the encoding and rendering process. And then that's probably going to take, depending on how long this video was, between 5 and 20 minutes is typically what this is running at right now. And so while it's rendering, I'm not going to show that process. I'm going to just hit the render button. That gives me a little bit of time to kind of do some stuff in between each video. So while you're waiting to see this, go ahead and watch another video of mine. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.